The chief spoilage organism on smoked fish are molds, bacteria, both, and fungi. Correct answer option A, mold. A musty or muddy odor of the fish is attributed to options: growth of Streptomyces species in the mud at the bottom of the body of water, the mud at the bottom of the body of water, the growth of Pseudomonas species in the mud at the bottom of the body of water, none of the above. Correct answer option A, the growth of Streptomyces. In chilled shrimp, dash is chiefly responsible for spoilage. Options: Achromobacter, Pseudomonas, Micrococcus or Bacillus species, molds or yeast. Correct answer option A, Achromobacter. Marinated fish should not have spoilage problems unless options: the acid content is very high, the acid content is low enough, the acid content is moderate, none of the above. Correct answer option B, the acid content is low enough. The predominant kind of bacteria causing spoilage in fish at chilling temperature is options: species of Pseudomonas, Micrococcus, Bacillus, none of these. Correct answer option A, species of Pseudomonas. The red or pink color of the fish is generally caused from the growth of options: Sarcina, Micrococcus or Bacillus species, molds or yeast, all of these. Correct answer option D, all of these. The bacteria most often involved in the spoilage of fish are options: part of the natural flora of the external slime of fishes and their intestinal contents, part of the natural flora of the internal slime of fishes only, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer option A, part of natural flora of the external slime of fishes and their intestinal contents. Normally, due to the holding of the chilled fish, options: Pseudomonas increase in number, Achromobacter decrease, Flavobacterium increase temporarily and then decrease, all the above. Correct answer option D, all the above. At higher temperatures, the soaring of oysters may be the result of fermentation of sugars by options: coliform bacteria, streptococci, lactobacilli and yeast, and all of these. Correct answer option D, all of these. Defense Food Research Lab located at options: Delhi, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Mysore. Correct answer option D, Mysore.